Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create crop view. Crop view crops existing view to show only a portion of the view. For example, we have this view and we don't want to show the whole view. We want to only show the portion of this view. For example, portion of this view. So we can go to drawing and we have crop view here. So let's select crop view. So we got a message here that first we have to create a closed sketch profile. So let's go to sketch. So we can use our circle or spline. Let's go with spline and let's define a sketch here. Like this. And now we can go to drawing, crop view, and we got a crop of an existing view. And now we can have this view and we can insert front view here. Okay, we can go to change scale like this. And now we have front view and we have a crop view of this front view. And let's go to the next chapter. In this next lecture, we're gonna show how to create isometric section view. To create isometric section view, first we have to create a standard section view that we've shown in this section. So we have this view, and we want to make a section here. So we have to go to drawing and choose a section view. So we're gonna go with standard cutting line, vertical, and let's check out a start section view. So now we can position when we want to make a section. So we're gonna make a section here. And now we can drag this to the left or the right. And we can leave this here. Now we have a normal standard section view. Section AA. Let's click OK. And now if we want to make isometric section view, we can just right click on it. And here we have isometric section view. And just click here. Now we got isometric section view. We can also change the name. Here we can flip direction, like this. We can go with something like this. And we can change display style. We can go like this. And we can change scale. Let's go 1:1 and OK. And now if we move this, we see that we can't position this where we want. We have to break alignment, so we can just simply right click on it, alignment, and break alignment. And now we can position this isometric section view where we want. For instance here. Okay. We can move this here. And OK. And this is how we can create isometric section view. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.